Hello, besties. So, tara, tuturuan ko kayo ulit kung paano kayo makakuha ng ganito ulit. Ng keyboard sound, ibang classic keyboard sound. At pretty easy lang. Let's get started, guys. And before we get started, first like and subscribe, and don't forget to get the bell button. So first, go to Play Store. Play Store, guys. Play Store. Let's go to Play Store. Guys. And search Open Board po. And install it. And open a... Sorry guys, I'm a little sick. And first do the things that they need. And now finish and do what they say in go open. And press go to performance. And take off and take off these. At take off nyo po to, yung show key hints. And open, and ano yung show emoji key. Tapos open nyo. Tapos tanggalin nyo po yung vibrate on key press. Tapos tanggalin nyo po voice input key. At press nyo saan key press. Ano yung press nyo okay. At wag nyo, at let's go to text correction. First, let's go to open boards. Let's go to advanced. And now, let's go to this. On the key press volume. You can do it whatever you want. I'll do 100. Key press daily. There you go. Let it normal. Oh wait. Go to text correction. Not text correction. Go to open this and you'll see. Just don't do anything with that. And now go pick any of these. And now pick any color of these. And pick any color of these. There's only one always. Pick only these. Only have this and this. So I'm going to the dark one. Material dark. And now go here and open this and go to any language. If you want to go Afrikaans. I want to go with Filipino po. Filipinos like us. So let's check it out. Ang ganda lang. It's good. And it's a and basically if you press this, the earth one, there you go. It will go to Tagalog. Yet it has Tagalog OMG. If you want to go change it a lot, I'll go to Afrikaans and India. There you go. Now let's check the thing. Let's go to Afrikaans. India. English India. There you go. Just if you want to go to the print keyboard, right? so cool. Like so cool. We can go to this. I don't know why I love this. Well, guys, if you love this video, make sure to sub now or else I'll slap your face. Or I'll eat your snacks. I'll eat your snacks if you don't sub. If you sub, I will give you always snacks. Yeah, you really have snacks, bunch of snacks. Okay, bye guys. I hope you like this video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.